Have you ever dreamed of venturing into the world on your own, creating memories that are solely yours? Traveling alone is an extraordinary experience, but it comes with its own set of unique challenges. Mistakes can transform an incredible journey into a stressful ordeal, and trust us, you'll want to avoid these pitfalls. From safety blunders to oversights in planning, we're here to guide you through the top mistakes solo travelers often make and how to avoid them. Join us as we uncover the secrets to a safe, seamless, and unforgettable solo adventure. Overpacking your luggage. The thrill of preparing for a solo adventure often leads to the temptation of packing everything you might possibly need. Overpacking may seem like a minor inconvenience until you're lugging a massive suitcase up a flight of stairs or struggling to fit it into tight transportation spaces. Carrying excessive luggage can slow you down, increase transportation costs, and make you a target for pickpockets or thieves. Strategic packing starts with creating a detailed checklist of essentials tailored to your destination's climate and planned activities. Prioritize versatile clothing that can be layered and avoid packing just-in-case items that add unnecessary bulk. Opt for lightweight materials and travel-sized toiletries to conserve space and keep your bag manageable. A backpack or carry-on-size suitcase often works best for solo travelers, allowing easy mobility and reducing the risk of baggage mishandling during transit. Organization within your luggage can also make a significant difference. Utilize packing cubes to compartmentalize items, ensuring you can quickly access what you need without disrupting everything else. Keeping valuables like your passport, electronics, and money in a small, easily accessible day pack will also save time and reduce stress. This system minimizes unpacking and repacking, giving you more time to focus on exploring your destination. The goal is to pack light and smart, giving you the freedom to move around effortlessly. Traveling with a compact, well-organized bag not only simplifies your journey but also enhances your confidence and security as a solo traveler. By avoiding the common mistake of overpacking, you'll feel empowered to embrace the spontaneity and adventure of traveling alone. Skipping travel insurance. Embarking on a solo journey without travel insurance may seem like a way to cut costs, but this oversight can lead to significant problems. Unforeseen situations such as flight cancellations, lost luggage, medical emergencies, or accidents can derail your plans and strain your finances. When you're traveling alone, having a safety net becomes even more critical since there's no companion to assist in emergencies. Travel insurance provides peace of mind by covering unexpected expenses and ensuring you receive the necessary support. When selecting a policy, ensure it covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, theft, and any adventure activities you plan to participate in. Some policies even offer 24/7 assistance, which can be a lifesaver if you encounter issues in a foreign country. Investing in comprehensive travel insurance means you're prepared for the unexpected, from minor inconveniences to major disruptions. Before purchasing a policy, thoroughly review the fine print to understand what is and isn't covered. Some insurers may exclude coverage for pre-existing medical conditions or certain high-risk activities, so choose a plan that aligns with your itinerary. Keep digital and printed copies of your insurance documents accessible during your trip, along with the provider's emergency contact information. Solo travel is about freedom and exploration, but being prepared ensures that you can fully enjoy your adventure without worrying about potential setbacks. Travel insurance is not just an expense, it's an essential tool that protects your journey and allows you to focus on creating unforgettable memories. Underestimating personal safety. Traveling solo offers unparalleled freedom, but it also comes with unique safety concerns. Relying too much on the inherent safety of a destination can leave you vulnerable to theft, scams, or worse. Solo travelers often appear as easy targets, making it crucial to prioritize your security at all times. Start by researching your destination thoroughly. Learn about the safest areas to stay, local customs, and any potential hazards. Avoid venturing into unfamiliar areas late at night, and trust your instincts if something feels off. Sharing your travel plans with a trusted friend or family member back home ensures someone knows your whereabouts and can assist in emergencies. Maintaining situational awareness is key. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places like markets, public transport, or tourist attractions. Consider using anti-theft backpacks, money belts, or hidden pouches to safeguard valuables like your passport, money, and electronics. Avoid flaunting expensive items that might attract unwanted attention. Your smartphone is a powerful safety tool. Use apps that offer real-time location sharing, emergency contacts, or local alerts. Additionally, carrying a basic first aid kit and knowing the local emergency numbers can make a big difference in critical situations. Solo travel is exhilarating, but taking precautions ensures your adventures remain safe and stress-free. Neglecting local customs and etiquette. One of the greatest joys of solo travel is immersing yourself in a new culture. However, failing to respect local customs and traditions can create uncomfortable situations or even offend the locals. This mistake can tarnish your experience and make it harder to connect with people in the places you visit. Before your trip, take the time to learn about the cultural norms of your destination. Understand the appropriate dress codes, social behaviors, and dining etiquette. For example, some countries expect conservative clothing at religious sites, while others have specific rules about public displays of affection or tipping. Adhering to these customs shows respect for the local culture and helps you avoid unnecessary misunderstandings. When interacting with locals, use basic phrases in their language such as greetings or expressions of gratitude. A simple hello or thank you in the native tongue can go a long way in building rapport. Observe how locals behave in public spaces and follow their lead. In places where bargaining is customary, engage in negotiations politely rather than aggressively. Being mindful of local customs enriches your travel experience, opening doors to genuine interactions and deeper connections. It's not just about avoiding mistakes, it's about embracing the diversity of the world and becoming a more respectful and informed traveler. Failing to plan solo-friendly activities. Traveling alone doesn't mean you have to miss out on group experiences or activities that require a partner. Many solo travelers overlook opportunities to join group tours, workshops, or social events, leaving them feeling isolated or unfulfilled during their trips. Research activities tailored for solo travelers before you leave. Many cities offer guided tours, cooking classes, or cultural experiences where you can meet like-minded individuals. Hostels and local community boards are excellent resources for finding events or day trips designed for solo adventurers. These activities provide not only entertainment but also opportunities to make new friends and share stories. Engaging in solo-friendly activities also builds confidence in exploring your surroundings. Consider hiking a well-marked trail, visiting museums, or attending festivals that celebrate the local culture. For those who enjoy social interaction, joining a food tour or pub crawl can be an exciting way to connect with others while experiencing the destination's flavors. Having a mix of solo and group activities ensures you enjoy the best of both worlds, peaceful moments of self-discovery and shared experiences that create lasting memories. Solo travel is all about finding a balance that works for you, so don't hesitate to step out of your comfort zone. Overloading your itinerary. The excitement of visiting a new place can lead to an overpacked schedule, leaving little room for spontaneity or relaxation. While it's tempting to see and do everything, cramming too many activities into your day can result in burnout and a rushed experience. Start by prioritizing the top attractions or experiences you want to explore. Plan for some downtime between activities to recharge and process your adventures. Remember, part of the beauty of solo travel is the freedom to linger in a charming cafe or take an unplanned detour. Building flexibility into your itinerary allows you to fully embrace the moment. Traveling solo means you're entirely responsible for managing your time. Be realistic about travel distances, waiting times, and the physical demands of your plans. Overloading your schedule can lead to missed opportunities, exhaustion, or even injury if you're constantly on the move. Instead of ticking off a long list of landmarks, focus on the quality of your experiences. Spend extra time at a single museum, park, or market to soak in the atmosphere. Solo travel is about connecting with the destination on a deeper level, and a well-balanced itinerary helps you achieve that. Ignoring budget planning. Solo travel requires careful financial planning, yet many travelers fail to account for hidden costs or overspend on non-essentials. Without someone to split expenses, you're solely responsible for managing your budget, and poor planning can quickly drain your funds. Begin with a realistic travel budget that includes accommodation, food, transportation, activities, and an emergency fund. Research average costs for your destination and adjust your plans accordingly. Booking accommodations with kitchen facilities can help you save money by preparing your meals, while public transportation is often a more affordable alternative to taxis. Tracking your expenses daily keeps you aware of your spending habits and helps avoid unpleasant surprises. Apps or simple spreadsheets make it easy to monitor your finances on the go. Prioritize experiences over material purchases, as memories last longer than souvenirs. Staying within your budget doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment. By planning wisely and avoiding unnecessary splurges, you can make the most of your solo trip without financial stress. Thoughtful budgeting ensures your journey remains both enjoyable and sustainable. Overlooking health precautions. Health emergencies while traveling alone can be particularly daunting. Many solo travelers underestimate the importance of staying healthy, which can lead to disruptions or unsafe situations. Proper preparation and self-care are crucial for a smooth trip. Research any required vaccinations or health precautions for your destination, especially if you're visiting areas with specific risks like malaria or foodborne illnesses. Carry a basic first aid kit, including over-the-counter medications for common ailments such as headaches, allergies, or digestive issues. Hydration and balanced meals are key to maintaining energy levels. Solo travelers may forget to eat or drink regularly while exploring, so carry a water bottle and snack to keep yourself fueled throughout the day. Pay attention to signs of fatigue or dehydration, as pushing through can worsen the problem. Taking care of your health allows you to fully enjoy your solo adventure without unnecessary interruptions. Being proactive about your well-being ensures you're prepared to tackle whatever challenges or opportunities your journey presents. Being overly reliant on technology. Technology can be a solo traveler's best friend, but over-reliance can lead to disconnection or vulnerability. From navigation apps to booking platforms, it's easy to lean too heavily on devices, missing out on the spontaneous joys of travel. Balance is essential. Use technology as a tool, but don't let it dictate your experience. Consider printing key information like maps, itineraries, or emergency contacts in case of connectivity issues. Engaging with locals or fellow travelers for directions or recommendations often leads to enriching interactions. Spending too much time on your phone can also make you appear distracted, potentially increasing safety risks. Keep your head up and remain aware of your surroundings. Social media can wait. Immerse yourself in the present and savor the unique moments of your trip. Technology enhances your journey, but human connections and genuine experiences are what make solo travel truly unforgettable. Strike a balance that allows you to use tech responsibly while fully engaging with the world around you. Skipping research on transportation options. Transportation is the backbone of any travel plan, and failing to research your options can lead to confusion, delays, or overspending. For solo travelers especially, this mistake can disrupt your carefully crafted itinerary and add unnecessary stress to your journey. Understanding the local transportation system before you arrive is essential. Research how to get from the airport or train station to your accommodation. In many cities, public transport is the most cost-effective and efficient choice. Familiarize yourself with local bus routes, subway systems, or bike-sharing programs to navigate like a pro. Some destinations also offer ride-hailing apps, but ensure they're reliable and safe in the area you're visiting. Having a backup plan for transportation is equally important. For example, if you miss the last bus or metro of the day, knowing how to hail a cab, book a ride, or even walk safely back to your hotel can save you from a stressful situation. Always carry a local map, either digital or paper, and mark key locations like your accommodation, major landmarks, and transport hubs. Being aware of local transportation quirks like specific rules or cultural norms enhances your experience. In some countries, rideshare services are restricted to certain areas or cash payments may be preferred over cards. By preparing in advance, you can avoid unnecessary headaches and make the most of your solo travel adventure. Knowing how to get around efficiently means more time for exploring and fewer worries about logistics. And there you have it, 10 mistakes to avoid when traveling alone. Solo adventures are a chance for growth, discovery, and unforgettable memories. But avoiding these pitfalls ensures your trip goes smoothly. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Edge. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.